Sealing cracks around a home is one of the most effective pest exclusion strategies to reduce insect entry. Start by inspecting common entry points such as foundations, window and door frames, utility penetrations, and where different building materials meet. Clean the cracks with a wire brush and vacuum or blow out debris so sealant adheres to solid surfaces. For gaps deeper than 1/4 inch, push in a foam backer rod to fill voids before applying a flexible exterior grade sealant. The backer rod prevents three-sided adhesion and saves sealant while creating a durable bond. Choose sealants rated for movement and weather exposure, such as polyurethane or high-quality silicone for non-porous surfaces, and elastomeric acrylic for painted masonry. Match the product to substrate and finishing plans. Apply sealant in a continuous bead, tooling it smooth so it fully contacts both sides and creates a concave profile that sheds water. Allow proper cure time before exposing the seal to weather and check annually for deterioration, reapplying as needed and addressing any underlying moisture or structural movement that could reopen gaps. 3 common mistakes are using the wrong material, failing to prepare the surface, and ignoring hidden voids. Using a sealant that is not flexible or not compatible with the surface will crack or pull away quickly. Solve this by selecting a product recommended for both the substrate and expected movement. Skipping cleaning and drying leads to poor adhesion and premature failure. Always remove dirt, loose material, and moisture before sealing. Overlooking deep voids allows pests to bypass surface seals. Solve this by inserting foam backer rod into deep gaps or using foam sealant to fill large cavities before finishing with a surface-grade sealant. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by listing project opportunities and profiles. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share experiences, ask questions, and swap practical tips about pest exclusion and sealing techniques.